If you use Gamma for presentations, documents, or visual content, one of the fastest things you can learn is how to search for projects inside your Gamma dashboard. Instead of scrolling through everything manually, you can use the built-in search feature to find exactly what you need in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you how to search projects in Gamma dashboard step by step so you can stay organized and save time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app. Once the site loads, sign in with your account if you're not already logged in. After that, you'll land on your Gamma dashboard. This is the main area where your projects, documents, and created content are stored. Now, look for the search bar on the dashboard. Depending on the layout, it may appear near the top or in a clearly visible section of the page. This search tool is what you'll use to locate your project quickly. Once you find the search bar, click inside it and type the name of the project you want to find. If you don't remember the exact title, you can also type a keyword related to the project. Gamma will start filtering results based on what you entered, making it much easier to narrow down the right file. Take a moment to review the search results carefully. You should see the project that matches your search term appear on the screen. If you have several similar projects, look at the titles and preview details to make sure you choose the correct one. When you find the project you want, simply click on it to open it. Gamma will take you directly into that project, so you can continue editing, reviewing, or presenting without wasting time. This is especially helpful if your dashboard contains a lot of projects and you need to jump back into something quickly. Another useful tip is to use shorter, more specific keywords if your search returns too many results. For example, instead of typing a full sentence, try using the main project name or a unique word from the title. That can make the search even faster and more accurate. And that's really all there is to it. Searching for projects in Gamma dashboard is simple, fast, and one of the easiest ways to keep your workflow organized. No endless scrolling, no guessing, and no wasted time. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more Gamma tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.